This is supposed to be the portable oxygen machine. I can't understand what's so portable about it. Yeah, I guess you could take it out if you wanted to, but I don't think so, because the guy that dropped it off, he said that it would only last for 45 minutes if you're running it at 3 liters. It takes 45 minutes just to get to every single spot in California. We wouldn't be able to use this. It seems like the oxygen tank would be the better bet. And as you can see, this is an oxygen tank, so I feel like this is just as big as the portable one, and this oxygen tank is portable and it's more lightweight. We were trying to get away from the oxygen tanks. We wanted to get a portable oxygen machine because we're constantly having to bring multiple oxygen tanks with us when we go to doctor's appointments and anything else. And the oxygen tanks only last for about 3 hours at about 2 liters, maybe 3.5 hours sometimes. So we wanted something that was portable. And when we thought portable, we were thinking like something that's like small, maybe like, you know, this small, you know, something like that. And they brought us this. And I'm just astonished and amazed because the home oxygen concentrator is about this big. Something like this is not going to be, you know, beneficial when traveling with the baby, because the baby is the one that needs the oxygen. He's 8 months now, but he's been on oxygen for a couple months, and this is not something that would help me because I have this stroller, I have this car seat, and with at least with the oxygen tanks, I can put the oxygen tanks underneath his stroller. But with this, I'd have to be wheeling and dealing 2 different things, so this is not portable at all. Plus, it's just as loud as the regular one in the house. It just doesn't seem so portable, does it? What do you guys think? And also, if you have a portable oxygen machine, could you please let me know which one it is, because I'm really interested in getting a portable oxygen machine. It has to be small inside. And I would like to know if they are quiet or if they are all loud.